Hi and welcome to another pilot RC Pilot Pete Watson video. I just thought I'd share with you my growing fleet and love of RC Helis. So as you can see, the smallest there is the OMP M2, then the Flywing 450L stabilised heli, a newly acquired MD500, which is based around the T-Rex 450L Pro, I think, and then a Roban EC145, which has the mechanics of the aligned T-Rex 550 LX. So the 145 has got the H1 flight controller in it. Before I bought it, I did have a go with the guy that bought it off, and it was just like flying the Flywing 450L really. So I feel I'm ready. I've just done some work now to get them ready to fly late this evening or later on this afternoon after work, and I feel quite confident with it being just like the 450L, Flywing 450L. So the MD500 I'll not fly for a while, because that is just purely a heli without any kind of well, it's got stabilisation in it but not H1 control, so it's a little bit like the M2. So until I feel a bit happier, I'll probably not fly that one. So looking forwards to the EC145 anyway, because that's a beautiful model. As I say, I've seen it fly and been there while it was flying. So the guy was selling it because he's got a bigger one. It's based off T-Rex 700 size, but it's some military, I think a Cobra helicopter or something like that. So this was the reason to sell, was just to help on that one. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and keep watching the channel for the flight videos. Okay, thanks for watching.